This video will help you practice your letters and your sounds. I will not be doing the actions, but when you go through this, please do the actions and show your family the actions that go through the sounds. Okay, ready, go. The N says N. The B says B. The F says F. The J says J. The S says S. The G says G. The K says K. The T says T. The L says O. The X says X. The A says A. The R says The C says K. The M says M. The D says D. The E says E. The I says I. The Z says Z. The Y says Y. The W says W. The U says The H says H. The O says Ah. The P says P. The Q says Qu. The V says V. And our letter this week that we're focusing on is the letter X. And the letter X says X. And we draw an X by doing starting at the top and doing diagonal down. Then we frog jump back to the top and do another diagonal down. And so we're going to be watching for the X and the X sound in our books that we're going to be reading this week and in the words that we're going to be practicing. If you already know your letters and sounds, you can watch this video without any sound. If you're still working on mastering your letters and sounds, I encourage you to please watch it with the noise or with your sound up so that you can hear me say the letter names and their sounds.